Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to export code files on Bolt. As you can see, currently I'm on Bolt and my goal here is to export my code files. On the left hand side, you can see I got projects. So let's click on it. Here you can see I got one project and I want to export its code. Let's click on it. Now when you will click on a web project, on the left hand side, you will see a chat window, and on the right hand side, you will see a preview. In my case, preview is not available. I think it will load later. But to see the code files, I need to click on this. And here, these are my code files. Now to download them, I need to click on the project title on the left hand side at the top. And here you can see I'm getting export. When you take your mouse over the export, you will get download. Let's click on it to download the files. So it will be a zip file. Simply save it in a folder by clicking on save button. So download is done. Now let's see the folder. So here we got a zip file. Now let's extract it. Simply right click on extract all, then click on extract button. So it's done. Let's open the folder. So these are our code files. So I hope you understood how to export your code files from Bolt. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.